Communication Arts has added drone capability to its full-service multimedia production services. Now you can acquire the great, stable HD aerial shots in a safe, easy, and cost-effective manner. Please note, Federal Aviation Administration regulations mandate that the use of a drone for commercial purposes be performed by a licensed and approved company. Commercial use of a drone by a drone hobbyist is illegal. Communication Arts Drone Service has been approved by the FAA for commercial operation, uses the latest high-definition aerial camera and drone system, is piloted by a commercial helicopter pilot to ensure your project does not violate any FAA airspace or local restrictions. This is very important. Is a cost-effective way to acquire aerial shots. Works with you to eliminate any anxiety or problem. Everything is totally legal and safe. You are protected. Gives you the option of receiving raw aerial footage or post-produced footage integrated into a larger project. And is flown under the umbrella of a 25-year-old video production company. Some of the possibilities: we shoot real estate, general advertising glamour, construction projects, geographic sites, roof, tower, tank inspections, tree surveys, and corporate promotion. We do not shoot anything that will endanger or disrupt people or wildlife.